man, I wanna get sick.
In the easy. And I'm in my closet. I'm trying to find something to wear. Like, a lot of times when I look like shit, it's because I'm rushed. Like, I don't ever get an opportunity to, like, try to get myself together before I go out. I always have to be rushed. So, you know, my hair and everything looks like shit. So VISH is rushing me once again to leave out the house. I guess he don't care. But, you know, sometimes I want to look cute and presentable. VISH likes his women ratchet. So, you know, the more ratchet I look, the more that he loves me. Because y'all should see some of them are exes. This hairstyle right here fit right in. Fit right in. Outfit of the day is, ooh, she ratchet. My outfit of the day is, ooh, she ratchet. She ratchet. She is, ooh, she ratchet. She ratchet. She ratchet. Ooh, she ratchet. So nice and ratchet for y'all today in this cold weather. Got my jean jacket on, my scarf, my Google shirt, and my ratchet gold Uggs, my ratchet gold Uggs. I'm ratchet. It's cold, y'all, and I'm ratchet. Yes, I'm on my way up to the welfare office, cause I'm ratchet. It's the first of the month, and that's when everybody gonna be there. I just gotta drop off some forms, cause I'm ratchet. My whole family is ratchet. But we gonna be eating good today, cause we ratchet. We ain't have no food till the first, cause we ratchet.
Gotta spin it fucking cash.
Account overdrawn, cause we ratchet.
Ram. I just ram it up. That's all I do is ram it up.
He's talking about the people doing the lawn, of course. Cause he ratchet. I'm filming today, y'all. Got my fro, cause I didn't have time to, you know, do my hair, cause my husband rushes me. Just wake up and go, cause we ratchet. I did wash up and brush my teeth and stuff though, but see, VISH don't give a fuck, cause he ratchet. Just come on.
Look, I got shit I gotta do. I gotta come back and take a shower anyways because I got shit to do. But then shit, I was at work all night.
That's something different. You haven't been asleep. I'm asleep and I'm gonna wake up and get clean and not be ratchet
but
and
you know
ratchet.
We got stuff to do and I can't wait until you get ready because we'll fucking be leaving at 2 o'clock again.
So go out and be funky cause you ratchet.
You funky?
No, cause I washed up. But if it was up to you, I wasn't gonna be it. I was gonna go out ratchet. I'm still ratchet.
No, you're not.
I'm sexy?
Yes.
I'm sexy cause I'm ratchet. Into my ratchet life. Going into the library now cause I'm ratchet. To print out some stuff. You know, they give you, you know, I don't have a printer at home because I'm ratchet. I do have a printer, but I don't have a cord for it. And I go to computer 11. Those are raggedy because we ratchet. All these potholes. Look at the roads. Potholes in our roads. Look at the roads. People tear up their cars and all kind of crazy stuff because we ratchet.
What I'm saying is, it's your turn.
Get it back over.
Listen up. What I'm saying here, work it out. You ain't staying here. And you better know this.
Everybody come up to the welfare office on the 1st. Why? Why? Look at all these people. It's jumping. Ho. Shit. You see that little thing, that orange thing? Take a number, take a tap. Cause I'm Ratchet, I'm Ratchet. And on our way to go see if VISH got a drug test for his PO. Not just kidding. It's for a job. That's all. We at Wendy's again, cause we Ratchet, we Ratchet. These are so funny, y'all. So I made him a little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And so he's not eating it. He's just sitting here. I'm glad he's not throwing it on the ground. But he just, did you want to try it? Okay, yeah. He was sitting there watching Super Wyatt. Oh, now you're eating it. Well, he wasn't eating it at first. He sat it there. He sat with it there for like a minute. I guess he wasn't ready. Is it yummy? Okay, now you're eating. I guess he he was too into Super Wyatt to eat. He has on his shirt that the stalker gave him. So he has all the cars, anything with wheels lined up, and I think he's gonna be rolling them on the kitchen floor. Yeah. Woo.
Hero looked out to sea.
Truck.
Puffed quietly. He smiled and he saw.
Favorite one. He makes all this noise.
Functions now activated. Push forward or reverse button.
That one goes by itself, yeah, and then it'll roll back too. Yeah, go. Yeah. How cool is that? It's like a PT Cruiser. It's pimped out, purple. What are you wearing, baby? This is a nice snazzy outfit. You look sexy with it on, though. Like, you look like one of those Chippendales. With J's. Cause he ratchet. Yeah, Ratchet. Do a Chippendale, right? Cause he ratchet. Cause he ratchet. Go.
You couldn't even run. Drive round the block. Recently, police trained black cops. The sign on the corner and take one shot. This is a warfare.
Go. What? Yeah. Get it. Ooh, you wouldn't believe how cold it is out here. Why are you walking like that, Sam? They have the same walk. And matching shoes. One has on the black ones and one has on the white ones. Both free 99. We all have on free 99 shoes, free 99 Uggs, free 99 Jordans. Hootie hoo. This is Sid Vicious song.
I came home last night. You make love to me. You went fast asleep. You wouldn't even talk to me. You say I'm so crazy. Coming home intoxicated.
For your video.
You make it higher, you had enough.
Come on. Oh, oops. Go. Dance. You can't go back. Ooh, I I got dizzy. Computer loud. It's playing on the floor cause we ratchet, we ratchet. Really Saturn Q. Get off the floor. The place where you get the drug test and look, somebody peed in a condom to take in fake pee because they ratchet, wow, that's on the ground. And this place does hair, so they ratchet, yeah. Cantaloupes in this store. Cause we ratchet, See how they boo us in the hood? Cause we ratchet, We're at this store called Save a Lot. And Sid is just getting some chips, cause you see the kind of food that's in there.
Get some roll-ups too.
Yeah, whatever, baby. I ain't getting shit in here. So this is how it looks. Just like bootleg chips. Like the chips are like, oh, they didn't went up on the chips because they used to be $1.49.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, they didn't went up on the chips, 30 cents. Oh no, they do have some for $1.49. The sour cream and onion and the cheddar.
It's just those.
The barbecue. The kind you want, of course. No, they got hot and spicy barbecue and salt and pepper, salt and vinegars. Our favorite place. This got extra cheese, mushrooms. No, this is extra cheese and black olives or mushrooms? Extra cheese, black olives, and mushrooms. And on Mondays they give you buy a large piece and you get one free. So you get 2 pizzas for $16. Instead of 1 for $16, because 1 is $16. And we only order from them on Mondays now. Take a bite, because they like to see us bite into it.
Invade your airspace without a trace. Our DNA lace your system. Another victim. Prediction of them sick inflictions is numerous. The mission, everybody's body consuming us. It's humorous, oh so serious. Got you curious. What you looking for? Everything you want, baby, here it is. In your ear, out the other. Tell your